I have a couple cases. I don't remember the case numbers, but there's someone who's following me, and I'm trying to protect him, and he's in my area, and he's very dangerous. And
who is this person to you? And he's following you right now?
Yeah, he was just following me. I ran into the QFC, and I don't know if he's in here, but...
Okay.
But he has a weapon on him. It's like a pistol. It's always in his waistband. I don't know if he has it right now, but...
And you said you went inside QFC and you're not sure if he followed you inside?
Yeah, I don't know if he's in here. I just went in here because it's a public setting, and I thought that would be safest to call during that.
All right. Like I said, I have this in place. Just wave down the officers when you see them, okay?
All right, thank you.
This is going to be our guy. Coming back southbound. He's got it right in his pocket. Hold the air. Yeah, please get your fucking head! Hey, hold your fire, man. Hey, hold. Hey. One shot fired. Get help. Do not reach for that gun.